Hello folks, today is a big day for Samsung smartwatch fans, not only because the Galaxy Watch 5 series is finally official, but also due to the new lineup being an agent of change within Samsung's wearable device portfolio. The classic model has retired and in its place a Pro variant got added to the smartwatch lineup for the first time. Samsung took the veil of two smartwatch models at Unpacked, the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The regular Galaxy Watch 5 comes in two sizes, 40 and 44mm, while the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is available in one size, 45mm. They are all offered with Bluetooth-only connectivity or Bluetooth plus LTE. The smaller Galaxy Watch 5 can be pre-ordered in graphite, pink gold and silver, whereas the 44mm model is available in graphite, sapphire and silver. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is offered in black and grey titanium. In addition, Samsung offers a Galaxy Watch 5 Golf Edition and the Galaxy Watch 5 Bespoke Edition in select markets. Although the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro differ in terms of design and color options, they also happen to share many internal hardware and software characteristics. The Galaxy Watch 5 series is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, and both models run Wear OS 3.5 and One UI Watch 4.5 at launch. They are also powered by the Samsung Exynos W920 chipset, 1.5GB of RAM and 16GB of built-in storage. Other shared specs include NFC connectivity, GPS, and the same bioactive sensor used in the Galaxy Watch 4 series, featuring ECG and heart rate sensors, a blood pressure sensor, and a beer sensor. There is also a new temperature sensor, improved sleep tracking with coaching, and 3 new health features that are exclusive to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro: root workout, turn-by-turn directions, and track back. There is also Bluetooth 5.2 and some new sensors on board that enable new features and more precise tracking. Perhaps the most interesting is that for the first time in the Galaxy Watch series history, the new wrist wearables are equipped with a temperature sensor. The latter uses infrared technology for accurate readings even when the environmental temperature changes. This new temperature sensor allows Galaxy Watch 5 customers to gain more detailed health information and opens up new possibilities for third-party app developers. The Pro model is equipped with a 1.36-inch AMOLED circular display featuring a resolution of 450 by 450 pixels. The smartwatch conceals a large 590 mAh battery that should offer up to 80 hours of use time on a single charge. The standard Galaxy Watch 5 is available with a 40 and 44mm dial. The smaller model has a 284 mAh battery and the 44mm variant is powered by a 410 mAh unit. To give you some context, the ones found on the Galaxy Watch 4 were 361 and 247 mAh, which might seem like a small difference, but for a device this small, it is significant. Paired up perfectly with the larger battery sizes, we also have twice as fast wireless charging capabilities compared to the previous generation. The Galaxy Watch 5 supports a maximum charge of 10 watts and comes with a charging park in the box that can output that kind of power. Also worth noting is that although both wearables benefit from sapphire display protection, only the Pro model has a titanium case. The bigger battery employed by the Pro model comes at a cost though. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is almost twice as heavy as the standard Watch 5, tipping the scales at 46.5 grams. It's also 10.5mm thick, and given these characteristics, it's not quite fit for everyone or every occasion. Nevertheless, it does seem to excel in its niche. The Galaxy Watch 5 series is available for pre-order and will ship to customers within the next couple of weeks. Prices start at $279 for the Watch 5 and $449 for the Pro model. Bespoke and Golf Edition are available in select markets. Guys, thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friend. Also subscribe to our channel and see you soon.